right now what we have, we configure the Azure Service Bus, and we configure the publisher, the subscriptor, and the subscription where the messages are sent. We also set up the hosted service. The hosted service has an event set up. This event is gonna be launched each time the subscription has a message. So if we go to the if we go to the Azure Service Bus, we are gonna see the account subscription. It has 0 message, and as soon as I send the message to uh, the service bus, it is gonna be reading the message instantly and adding into the account. So right now, let's run the account. Let's see how much money we have. We have 4,500. Let's make another deposit. Let's send 2 message. So we're gonna have 1,000 more. Send 1, 2. Immediately we can check the account and it is reflected. Let's send a new one. Let's check the account. 1,600. So it's working. We can see here we don't have we're not be able to see anything because the message were already consumed by the subscriber. And this is how it works. The way we make sure that the subscriber is reading message by message is by going to the setting max concurrent calls. This is making sure that just one message is read by by the subscriber into the subscription, and that's it.